Hello everybody, now I am conducting class 7 geography class. Again I am repeating, now I am conducting now class 7 geography class. Now we will start to discuss about the topic of Indian climate. Okay, so this topic already we have started last class. So this topic is very important. What we will start today, that is really very important. That is about the indications or the factors, okay, like winds and pressure. One most important factor. Last day we have I have already taught a little bit about this. So today I want to discuss it in a very, I want to explain this topic. So winds and pressure, how does it factor, how does it matter? Winds, definitely, as I spoke last class, that whatever wind, okay, like if the wind is very warm, when it will start to blow, definitely temperature will rise. If the wind is very cold, definitely temperature will drop down. That means the relationship between the temperature and the wind blow is always vice versa. If the temperature will rise, that means wind is very hot. If it is very cold, then it will be very, then the temperature will decrease. So these things also happen with the pressure. Pressure, when the pressure will arise, that means the temperature will rise, and when the pressure will decrease, then that means temperature will increase. So temperature will also decrease. So in the like in this time, summer season, what we can see, the temperature is very low, but the pressure is very low, but the temperature is very high. In the cold season, winter season, what we can see, pressure is very high, but the temperature is very low. So there is a relationship with pressure with the altitude. Like in the coastal region, low altitude from the sea level, so the pressure, air pressure is very low. If you will consider to the mountainous region, as the at altitude will arise, pressure will also arise. That means there is a positive relationship. Okay, so this air pressure and wind blow also very important for creating any kinds of depression. Just we have seen before few days, we all affected due to that Umphan, like that kind of cyclonic activity. These things are the causes for the relationship between the pressure. Okay, there is a very important relationship with pressure and temperature, and today we will learn about this very carefully. Because what is happening in this, during this summer time, generally what is happening during this summer time, we can see there are so many low pressure zone, and all our continents are surrounded with the low pressure. Okay, so low pressure means what? Generally, due to the high heat, high temperature, the water vapor will arise up, and the pressure will continuously decrease, and there is a relationship, as the pressure will as the water vapor will arise, creating a local cloud, again comes down in form of water, that is rainfall. Again the cyclic motion we can see. But there is a but. What is that but? In this world, you learn from physics that everywhere the, what is the property of the pressure? The main pressure property is equilibrium. Everywhere pressure will be equal. So as there will create any kind of low pressure, from the high pressure zone, the winds start to come to that point. As the high pressure winds start to enter that point, but due to the low pressure, already there is a cyclic or anticyclic motion already started. That motion always try to defend, that they don't want to get any kind of high pressure zone or any kind of mixing up. So there is the clash. That high pressure winds start to get inside, but the low pressure cyclone doesn't want to, and that clash causes these kinds of depression. As a result, what is happening, the movement is getting much more strong, and these kinds of depression, we can, every summer season we can experience such kinds of depression. Same thing is happening, like when, just listen, this paragraph is very important. I am sending you the pic of this page. Listen, learn that also. The southwest monsoon winds also bring down temperature in India during the summer season, especially in the month of June, July and August. These winds blow from a high pressure region in the Indian Ocean to the low pressure region in the heated parts of the northern India, bringing heavy rainfall. So very clear, from the Indian Ocean these air try to get inside, and as a result we can experience this burst of monsoon. Okay, so one important question, what is burst of monsoon? Burst of monsoon, this term means the first rainfall of monsoon, because already now the area is heated enough from the Arabian Sea, from the Indian Ocean, from the Bay of Bengal. Every cold wind want to enter in the Indian subcontinent, and as they try to get inside, they are getting this confliction, and with this huge amounts of water vapor, they first stuck to the Himalaya. As they stuck to Himalaya, then from northern India to gradually it comes down, and we are getting the rainfall, that is monsoonal rainfall. So this is monsoon burst. But what is low pressure rainfall? That is Umphan. That is another kind of activities, okay, that we can see. So these kinds of activities always provide such kinds of rainfall. Okay. Now one important thing, western disturbances. Generally sometimes we experience that in the winter season rainfall, that is western disturbances. The western part, like that, it comes from like Punjab, Haryana, western part of Rajasthan. From there these kinds of rainfall comes are enter into the country. Okay, what is happening in that case also learn. The western disturbances are the wind that move from the Mediterranean Sea towards India in winter and bring about light showers in northwest India, while the northeast monsoon brings rainfall to Tamil Nadu coast during winter. These winds pick up some moisture from Bay of Bengal as they move from high pressure areas of the North India to the Indian Ocean, which has low pressure. So very clear thing, that means that side Mediterranean Sea low pressure, and what is happening from Mediterranean Sea towards Indian winter bring the light shower in northwest. How it would be possible? Because inside of India that time was winter season, that means high pressure. Again same confliction, ultimately from towards to that side it reaches up to the Tamil Nadu coast. So Tamil Nadu coast also experienced twice rainfall in a year. First monsoon burst, second the retreating of monsoon, or these kinds of thing. Okay, so these terms listen very carefully. But before that I would ask few things to, specially I am getting very few copies. I am not getting copy from Sajid. I don't know Sajid why you are not sending your copy. Maulik, I like to send. I expect that you will send me the mail. Sajid, Maulik, everybody. Jishan, I am expecting from you. Utsav, send me the copy. Shushmit, complete the question answers and send me through mail. I want to check the copy. Ripon, Anirudra, where are they? Riddha, Ritupriya, I really want this copy. Swastika, everybody send me copies. Okay, I would like to check this last chapter, because the last chapter is really very important chapter, and every day I try to give small clarification of this topic. It will help you to remind, because this topic, this Indian climate topic, is also very important. Today only these 2 or 3 things I have discussed. Next tomorrow again I will discuss few 2-3 things. Like that way you will we will continue this top chapter, because this is quite tough, and if you will progress like this way it will be very easy for you. But before that I need the copies. Okay, send me through mail. It will be very helpful for you. Otherwise when the school will reopen it will be very big burden for you. Complete at a time. Okay, send me the copy, send me the mail at the dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com, address like dear mom, and send me. Okay, I will check and I will give you the feedback. Okay, where you have to improve or which point you have to add up, or your notes are okay or not. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye, and wait for the next class. Before that, today I am sending this pic as the description box, and learning tomorrow we will do the next topic. Bye bye, stay safe.